Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, well, let me just tell you before we start there, I am not at my best on today. I have something that's coming up so I can explain to you what it is that's going on, but I know I need to get this information to you, so I want to make sure that I do just that, okay? So let's just go ahead. And the video we have for you on today will be unboxing our it's probably the premium box for BoxyCharm for the month of March. This is Women Empowerment Month, y'all. Okay, so and for those of you who are not familiar with BoxyCharm, I will leave all the information down below so that if you would like to try it out for yourself, all the information will be there. Plus, they have some things that are upcoming for those of you who are not familiar, where the two sister companies are now becoming one. All right, so we open it up, and yes, it is the premium box. It says so right there. Okay, so of course, the first thing we pull out is our description card. All right, and it says Planet Woman. All right, and on the back, of course, all the details for the items that are enclosed. All right, now that information that I was telling you about, there is a card about that in here as well, and it says Ipsy and BoxyCharm, great on our own, gorgeous together. It says meet Beauty's new dream team. The battle of the world's most beloved beauty subscriptions is over. We're bringing the best of both brands together to create the ultimate beauty membership with more perks for you than ever before. It's a match made in makeup heaven. Okay, it says same price, more perks. Now that could be something quite positive for us, for those of us who get both boxes, to cut that second bill down and still get a wonderful selection of items. That will be pretty amazing, but we'll see what the rest of the details are. If you would like to see the inside information, I will make sure that it is posted at the end of the video, so that way you can pause your video and read it, and that way you'll have all of the information. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is go into the products in this month's box. Now, while I'm taking out the items, I do want to let you know, BoxyCharm did notify me to tell me that there is a duplicate item in my box. Now, if you remember previously, they would give you a $6 credit to use at the drop shop. Well, they don't do that anymore. They give you $6 back. Okay, so that amount would be deducted from the amount you paid for the box. All right, so the very first item that we have is by the company GROWN ALCHEMIST, okay? And this is the balancing toner, which is in rose, ginseng, and chamomile. It says a refreshing, invigorating toner for an instant lift and a radiant glow. Leaves the face soft and clean, balancing the skin, refining facial pores, and evening out skin tone. And the manufacturer's suggested retail price for this one is $36. This is a 6.76 fluid ounce size. Okay, and let's see what the actual packaging looks like. Remember this item, okay, and this is a cruelty-free product. As with most of their items, it is considered clean, certified organic. Okay, and it says balancing toner, biological beauty is what GROWN ALCHEMIST is. All right, and this is what this item looks like, and it has a 12-month shelf life. All right, well, certified toxic free, 100% natural, a new evolution of healthy, scientifically advanced formulations, the biology of beautiful skin. Okay, so this is item number one. The next item that we have is by the NEU company, and it's this one right here, and this is the super thick scalp serum. This is for hair that is thinning or regularly sheds. This topical scalp supplement in the form of a serum is designed to reduce hair shedding and build thicker hair and more body. 90% said their hair is stronger and thicker after 90 days of use. Before washing, massage into the scalp while dry 2 to 3 times a week. Okay. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $45. Okay. Now let's see what this is all about. This is a 3.3 fluid ounce size, and it says hair density plus scalp health. Okay. And this one has a 12-month shelf life as well. Divide hair into 6 sections and apply to scalp. Gently massage to stimulate circulation. Leave for 20 minutes. Then wash hair as usual. If you're going to use it throughout the week, it says 2 to 3 times. Well, for all of my protective style wearers, you can go ahead and just put it on your scalp, in between your braids or your twists, however you have, taking care of your hair. I'm liking this. I do want to try it and see what it is like. I'm trying to see what kind of ingredients are in here, but there's nothing out of the ordinary. Biotin, of course, is in there. Okay. I do like it. We're going to find out some more about this really soon. All right, so that is item number 2. Then item number 3 is by Murad. I'm pretty sure that this is the one that is my duplicate item because I have a few of them. And this is the Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Serum. It says prevent and reduce the look of wrinkles all around the eyes, including lids. With this patented technology for potent yet gentle results, all ages and sensitive skin is welcome. Help minimize the signs of aging you can see and the others you can't see yet. Provides 24 hours of hydration to reduce dryness as it instantly brightens. Delivers an instant dose of retinol over time to minimize irritation and prolong benefits. Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price. Remember, y'all, Murad products are quite expensive. They do work well, but they are quite expensive. And the manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $89. And at $89, you get a 0.5 fluid ounce size. This one is a cruelty-free product. It does have a 6-month shelf life. So when you're ready to use it, that's when you open it because you want to get your money's worth and the full benefits behind this particular product. Now, that is what the outside looks like. This is what the inside looks like. Okay. Now, I do love the product. Definitely love the product. So it is always something that is wonderful for our eye area. Okay. It says to use AM and PM, gently pat around the eye area, including eyelid. Warning, okay? There is a warning, all right? Avoid contact with your eye. It needs to stay on the outside, not touch the inside of your eye. So, and when you're putting it on, do not rub, just pat. Rubbing it is going to defeat the purpose because you're going to be pulling your skin in different directions, which means you are going to promote wrinkles. All right, so that is item number 3. Okay, this item, I'm just going to let you know right now, this one is going in a giveaway. I have so many blushes, of which I know if I never get another one, I probably still will not make it all the way through the ones that I have. So let me share with you. Someone out there is going to get this product. The next one that we have is by CIATE London, and this is the Dewy Blush, okay? And it says, this next gen gel bomb tint blush is set to shake up and refresh your beauty routine. Gone are the days of chalky powder blush with an ultra lightweight finish. This leaves just a subtle hint of color that you apply to the cheek, blending effortlessly into a modern glass-like sheen. Formulated with natural extracts of yuzu and dragon fruit, the blush brightens your base, leaving the skin with an even and healthy flush of color. The manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $22. Now, I'm not going to open this box, but we will talk about everything that it says on the outside. Okay, it says glossy cheek tint, and it's in the shade Papaya. All right, and it is a 0.33 fluid ounces. It has a 24-month shelf life. To use on cheeks, apply 2 to 3 small dots and blend immediately for a sheer touch of color. Okay, so their packaging is always pretty anyway. I love their metallic packaging. Okay, so we're not going to open this one. We are going to put this to the side so that it does go in the next giveaway, which is going to be pretty large, y'all. It's coming up real soon. The next item that we have is by Beauty. Okay, and I've gotten this one before as well. And this one is the Icon Matte Lipstick. And it says all the color, all the attitude is simply, it's got a lot of, it's got some language on here that I don't use, okay? So it says make the ultimate lip statement with this concentrated, highly pigmented, lightweight lipstick. This sensuously silky texture glides on the lips and leaves behind a stunning color with just one stroke. And it's 100% vegan. The manufacturer suggested retail price is $24. Now this one is in the shade Diana, and it is a 0.14 fluid ounce size. I'm not sure how liquid can be fluid, but okay. And it has an 18-month shelf life. Now let's see what the shade Diana looks like. Oh, this is the inside packaging. Yes. Oh, I definitely have this one, but I love it so much. Can you tell? So this is what the shade actually looks like. And I don't even have to swatch it. All you have to do is look. Okay, and we're down to the last item in the box. All right, and this one is by La Palette Beauty, and this is the Vita Yellow Fresh Cleanser. It says this one-step vitamin C cleanser helps to brighten skin while removing debris and makeup. A jelly-like formula. It contains 88% moisturizing essence to keep your skin hydrated. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $32. This is cute packaging, right? Okay, and this is a Korean skincare product. Oh, nice. And the box is completely sealed. Look at that. You'll know if it was indeed opened. So I get to open it here with you. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, so this is a 3.38 fluid ounce size. And it says one-step cleanser helps to make your skin shine and glow by delivering vitality and energy to tired skin with an abundant vitamin. All right, pure with pure vitamin C. I'm very excited to use this one. I don't know, for some reason lately I've been really liking these gel cleansers. It doesn't take much, but it does give you quite a bit of lather unless you have a low lather cleanser. And this one is paraben free, benzophenone 3 free, and synthetic fragrance free. Okay, I'm actually pretty excited to try it. All right, now the shelf life on this one is 12 months. The cleanser that I have, I'm almost finished, so I think I might want to try this. Why am I telling you that? Because I want to open it and smell it. But I can't because it is sealed. I was hoping, but okay, without opening it, you can still smell it through the top. It's not very strong, it's faint, but I'm gathering it's because it's sealed. So when I try it, I'll let you know. Okay, so that is the last item in the package. Now, this month's box is so skincare heavy. There's only one thing, actually, there are two items in here that are not skin related. Why and what? These two right here. So we do have a lipstick and we do have a hair serum. Okay, everything else is a skincare product or the blush, but this is not for me, this is for one of y'all. So the next, when I do a try on of first impressions, it will be with another box, of course. Okay, because we can't try on these for you to see here. These are just items that we use before makeup is applied. So let me know your thoughts down below. This box, I am okay with it. Every now and then I don't mind getting an abundance of skincare. Not all the time, but I don't have a problem with that. And let me know if you are a BoxyCharm subscriber and you get the premium box. Let me know if your box was like mine. Was it skincare heavy? Was it a nice even match? Just let me know so we can compare, okay? Now, once again, I do apologize. I know it has been a minute and this is not me with my, as my husband says, my normal bubbly self. However, I love you enough to make sure I can bring to you the items that we do have, but I will also offer you an explanation, okay? Now, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our BoxyCharm Premium Box for the month of March, and these are the items that were included, and down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was inside. Okay, now remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.